over the upcoming elections. In an email interview with news agency ANI, Hasina said that any election without the Awami League would not be an election but a coronation. She says that any government formed under such circumstances would lack moral authority as Rishabh, because Sheikh Hasina is also saying that her life and political career has also been tied to Bangladesh's security and stability, but without the Awami League, elections has no meaning in Bangladesh.
Well, definitely. See, Sheikh Hasina is clear that Awami League happens to be the biggest political force in Bangladesh, and banning it from the political activities, as Mohammad Yunus in a recent interview said that he hasn't banned Awami League but only restricted the political activities of Awami League. So restricting or banning political activities of Awami League will not give the fairness to the election that interim government has been talking about. Sheikh Hasina in the interview, and this is the first time she has spoken since the death sentence has been granted to her by the ICT in various cases in Bangladesh. Sheikh Hasina says that a political vendetta against her, against her party, will lead to a fractured election in February, and banning Awami League is no option for interim government.
All right. Well, these developments that are now coming in from Bangladesh over when it comes to upcoming elections that would be taking place. But as far as India, how it has been monitoring the situation that has been unfolding in Bangladesh, a close eye has been kept as far as spontaneous protest that was also held outside the Bangladesh High Commission in the national capital. Rishabh, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. Back after a short break, you're watching Time.